See, the next we're discussing about the reflection of light. Reflection of light. See, let us now consider. Let us now we are consider the two medium. The separation of a surface. The two mediums are separation of a surface. See, one is take the air medium. One is taken a air medium. See, another one taken a glass medium. See, one is taken a air medium, another is taken a glass medium. This is the two mediums, the separation of a surface. Now this surface, exactly the middle is called as the normal. So the perpendicular, we can draw the line, that is called as the normal. This is considered a normal. When a light incident on a normal, this is the incident ray, can be incident on a this normal. Incident on a normal. See, this is called as the incident ray. What is called? This is the incident ray. Now this is the direction, can be fall on a two medium of separation of surface, it meet at the normal point. And after that, the sum of the part is back into the same medium. The sum of the part is back into the same medium. This is the back into the same medium. Sum of the part can be back into the same medium. This is called as the reflected light. What is called as a reflected ray, or reflected ray or light. Both are will be same. Now where is there the when a incident ray can be incident on a two mediums of separation of surface, and it is reflected back into the same medium. Reflected or back into the same medium. Same medium is the air medium can be returned back. See, that light is called as the reflected light, or also say the reflected ray. Now here the angle made by between the incident ray and normal is called as the angle of incidency. And the angle made by between the normal and reflected ray is called as the angle of reflection. What is called as an angle of reflection? Now the first we're discussing about the statement of a reflection of light. Statement of a reflection. When a light is incident, when a light is incident on the boundary between two mediums. So what is that? When a light is incident on the boundary, this is the boundary. What is called this one? Boundary. This is the boundary between two mediums. A part of the light. So this is a part of light is come back into same medium. This is called reflection of light. This is called what is the reflection of light. Now the next we are discussing about in angle of incidence. The first one we are discussing about the angle of incidency is denoted by the letter is I. Angle of incidence. See, denoted by a I. See, write the angle made by. See, this is the I is denoted by this is the angle angle made by, angle made by, where we between the angle made by is the incident ray and normal, angle made by the angle made by the instant light or incident ray, incident ray. See the angle made by the instant ray with normal, with normal, with normal is called angle of incidency, angle of incidency. See this is the, say the angle made by the incident ray to instant ray with normal, instant ray with normal is called as the angle of incidency. It is denoted by in a I. So write it is denoted by I. It is denoted by I. Next we are discussing about the angle of reflection. The next what is discussing about the angle of reflection, angle of reflection. It is denoted by a small r. The which letter is denoted by the small r. See right here the where is the between is there, angle made by the angle made by the angle made by the normal with reflected ray, normal with reflected ray, normal with reflected ray is called angle of reflection, angle of reflection. It is denoted by small r. The which letter denoted by is the small r2, the denoted by in a this one. The next we are discussing about in a angle of deviation. What are we discussing by the angle of deviation is denoted by a small delta, angle of deviation, it is denoted by a small delta. See for example, now this light can be extending. For example, what is the sum of the part, means the some part can be come back into the same, the another part where is moving by the into the glass medium. This is the glass medium. Now it is there in a normal, it is the normal. Now here the making of angle, it is the making of angle. What is the angle of incidency? Because of it is the incident ray. This is the incident ray, this is the incident ray, and here this is the angle, this will be the angle, this is called as the angle of deviation. What is it? This is the angle of the angle between incident ray and reflected ray, incident ray and reflected ray, angle between incident ray and reflected ray is called angle of deviation, angle of deviation. It is denoted by small delta. It is denoted by the small delta. See here, angle of deviation means what is there here, the angle between incident ray and reflected ray, this is called as the angle of deviation. That angle of deviation is nothing but what is here, the delta is the angle of deviation plus angle of deviation is the delta plus angle of incidency. How much is there is an I plus angle of reflected, this is also divided by I, that is equal to 180 degrees. The total is equal to 180 because of it is the 90 and it is the 90. 90 plus 90, how much is there? 180. Now this delta is equal to 180 minus 2I. See, why are we can write this I means the loss of reflection is that the first, the properties angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This both of the angle will be same. That's why we can write the I plus delta. I plus delta is equal to total how much of the angle is there? 180. Then this only we can find out the angle of deviation. This I plus I 2I is taken this side. The delta is equal to 180 minus 2I.